Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps now. Sign into Windows with an administrator account because only admins can remove accounts and apps. Next, locate any active Microsoft 365 subscriptions and backup documents stored in OneDrive or locally. Once done, open Settings, go to Accounts, and prepare to remove the Microsoft identity. Make sure Internet is active so license checks don't block removal. Now continue by removing the Microsoft 365 account and related applications. Open Settings, navigate to Accounts, right arrow Email and Accounts, select the Microsoft account you want to delete, then click Remove and confirm the prompts. This dissociates the account from Windows. After that, go to Apps and Features, find Microsoft Office or individual 365 apps, choose Uninstall to remove local applications. Make sure to restart the laptop. Finish by validating removal and handling residual cloud settings. Open Control Panel, right arrow User Accounts to confirm the account is gone, and check Credential Manager to delete saved Microsoft credentials. If you also want the online Microsoft 365 account closed, sign into Account. Microsoft. Calm and follow account closure steps. Remember, this affects other devices. If removal fails, clear Office license files using the Support and Recovery Assistant or remove credentials in Credential Manager. Then reboot and retry the removal process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.